Tashi Dili.
Namaste.
I'm Rinchin Roma.
And I'm Aman Kandari
We are the student of class 12D.
from CST Masuri. We are going to show a video presentation on the theme of planning of mathematics for nation building.
And with the sub-theme of how a small quantitative changes can make a large qualitative consequences. So before going further, let's have a small introduction on mathematics. Mathematics has been expressing itself everywhere. If we look back at the time of civilization, we can easily find that mathematics is playing a major role in our daily life. It is the link language between God's nature and man-made world. Mathematics has been the means of measuring properly boundaries, calculating days, predicting seasons, and even building bridges and homes and drawing maps and so on. This is our writer for the exhibition and these are our models.
The first model on mathematical modeling is how the working of mathematical modeling. So first we identify the physical situation and then we introduce and change it to a mathematical model. Then we solve the mathematical model into a mathematical solution, which when interpreted with the solution of original problem and is compared. If we get two results, if in a good agreement and not in a good agreement. If it is a good agreement, we accept the model, and if not, then we modify it by hypothesis and by laws and symbols.
This is my chart modeling, which is fully and completely based on the problems people are facing in rural areas. Let's take an example of a family, just a single family, with a monthly budget of rupees 1,000. If this family would have only a single child, then the whole 1,000 rupees would be spent on this single child. So that means this she will get better education, better nutrition, better lifestyle, everything better. If this same family would have 2 children, then everything would get distributed among these 2 children, be it money, be it education, be it nutrition, everything with the ratio 1/2 and 1/2. And again, if the same family would have 3 children, and then there would be the distribution among these 3 children with the ratio 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And again, if their population in the family increases, then again there would be the distribution among these 4 children with the ratio 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. What this ratio tells us and what this ratio concludes us is the growth in population is inversely proportional to the growth in economic development of a country.
Thirdly, we have this set of cuboids with the smallest cuboid of volume 2 into 3 into 4. Now we add 1 centimeters to each side, increasing its volume. We keep adding 1 centimeter to each side. Now finally we have a big cuboid of volume 8 into 9 into 10. Now when we have this shows how small quantitative changes in a small cuboid of 1 centimeter will build a big cuboid, which is 8 into 9 into 10 centimeters volume.
This is my planning on how information can be spread rapidly among the people, and this is my illustrative working model which we are going to bring and present on the day of exhibition, and it is going to be more effective, more attractive, more understandable as we have used LED bulbs, wires and many interesting more things. Now let's take an example of a rural area, as rural areas are lagging behind in getting information. Now suppose there is an individual and he has the knowledge about any government scheme, be it cashless society, be it Swachh Bharat, anything, and he decides to educate 2 more person and ask this person to educate 2 more person. And again, if this 4 person continues to teach 2 more person, then on the 4th day we can see that we have 8 person who are educated on the same scheme. And again, if this 8 person continues the change, then imagine how many people would have been educated at the end of a year, be it or at the end of a month. Then this spreading of information can only be happen with the help of GP, that is geometrical progression. And this GP, and of course we are using mathematics here. Now what this shows us is a single individual can make a big difference, and it also tells us that a small quantitative changes can make a large qualitative consequences. This is our working model, sir. Wire, LED bulbs and all.
Now we have the last but not least model. We have a square, perfect square, formed by 5 pieces of wooden piece rearranged in a specific manner. Now when I rearrange this square again, rearrange the square. Now amazingly find a space being left in between, which will be filled by this square, this shape. Now we can see this was being formed by 5 pieces. Now it has 6 pieces in this. This shows how mathematical magic works. And this shows that how small arrangings and assumptions being made in the cuttings of these shapes build a large consequence, which presents this 6th shape to fill in this.
Now, applications of mathematical modeling. First one, this idea stimulates closeness between approximation and exactness. Second one, gives an insight to mathematical modeling and skill, an idea toward math magic. Number 4, small quantitative changes can make a large qualitative consequences. Number 5, every small incident makes our life. So therefore, every deviation has a consequence. After all, if a circle is slightly pressed, an ellipse takes birth.
Now I would like to conclude by saying that these were our small plannings, and we will be more illustrated and specified on the exhibition day by these models.
Thank you.
Thank you.